A 3D logo animation on your website? Yup, that's exactly what we are building today, completely for free using Elementor. Plus, the logo isn't just static. You can move your cursor to change the logo's perspective and make it feel truly 3D. No extra plugins, just clean, simple HTML and CSS that you can copy and paste from the pinned comment below. Let's start by setting up the structure. First, take a full width container and assign it the CSS class logo wrapper. Inside this, insert another container and give it the CSS class logo container. This will hold all the logo variations and make them easier to control. Now inside this inner container, insert an image. This will be the base logo, so pick the primary version of the logo you want to animate. Now go to the advanced settings and assign this image the class logo img. Now we need multiple variations of the logo to create an animation effect. Duplicate the image 4 more times and replace each duplicated image with a slightly different version. As you can see, I've got a bunch of variations of the Netflix and Elementor logo uploaded right on my media library. So let's add them quickly like this. As we're adding multiple high-resolution images for the 3D effect, it's important to keep load times in check. This is where airlift comes in. It automatically optimizes your images, compressing them without losing the quality, so your animation stays smooth without slowing down the page. Once the images are ready, let's add the HTML that will make all the effect work. Below the main container, add a new container and set its padding to 0. Inside this, insert an HTML widget and also set its padding to 0 to prevent any spacing issues. Now paste the required code into the HTML widget. This code will handle the transitions between the images, making the logo appear 3D and interactive. Once pasted, check the results to ensure everything is working smoothly. You should see the logo shifting as you hover or move your cursor. Now let's say your logo has a different size or a custom aspect ratio. No worries, you don't have to redesign everything from scratch. Just jump back into the code, find the size values and tweak the aspect ratio to match your logo. Once you've made the adjustments, just update and publish your page and the 3D effect will work seamlessly with any custom logo design. It's that flexible. Also, to make the logo clickable, select the logo container. In the layout settings, open the additional captions and find the HTML tag setting. Change this to a link and then paste the URL where you want the logo to redirect. This could be a home page, a portfolio page, or an external link. And that's it. You now have an interactive 3D logo animation placed neatly in the bottom left corner of your footer. Play around with different logos, experiment with placements, and let me know in the comments which brands you are using this effect for. Also, I've left the required code and JSON template in the pinned comment below, so you can grab it and try it out on your site. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.